Okay, Mason, what are you scribbling now? Another Michigan budget chart?
Kinda. I'm designing my future. This is my millionaire blueprint.
Can I join too? I want to build my baby land soon.
Definitely. Since we'll be millionaires soon, we need to classify what kind of millionaires we aim to be.
Ooh, please say one of them involves a nap.
First up, passive income millionaire. They make thousands of dollars a month while they sleep. Rent, books, stocks, money just shows up.
So, like, getting rich while taking a nap?
Or while watching Baby Shark on loop.
Now that screams financial freedom with a lullaby soundtrack.
Second, asset millionaire. They own stuff, property, businesses, investments. They look rich on paper, but might have $4.62 in their wallet.
So I could technically be a queen and still owe Mason 2 juice boxes?
Exactly. Assets are long game, not snack game. Third type, cash millionaire. They've got $1 million just sitting in the bank. No chaos, just safety and silence.
That's me with my piggy bank if it was 10,000 times bigger.
Right. It's safe, but it's not multiplying. Fourth, and my favorite, cash flow millionaire. They bring in thousands every month. They build stuff, solve problems, and run systems that keep earning. They don't wait for money, they generate it.
That's like lemonade stands, merch drops, and digital courses, all before bedtime.
Exactly. They've got boss mindset, mini CEO moves with major impact.
I always thought being a millionaire meant one thing, but now it's like different games, different players.
Right. It's not just who has the most. It's who builds it best for how they want to live.
Okay, so passive is peace, asset is power, cash is cushion, and cash flow, that's fire. So which one are you aiming for?
Cash flow with a side of passive. You?
All four, duh. I'm going full combo, deluxe edition.
Okay, Zoe. Just make sure you hire me before you buy the moon.
So which one sounds like you?
Passive, cash flow, asset queen? There's no wrong answer. Just drop yours in the comments.
And subscribe if you're trying to grow that millionaire mindset, baby style.